All right, so the first thing you need to do is go into the Blender preferences and search for depth map batch, or you could just type in depth. Next is enable the add-on if you haven't. So when you go through the installation process, I guess with the Blender 4.2, it automatically enables it. Okay, and then you check it. Okay, then now you see in the top right, there is an uninstall. But if you scroll down a little bit, there will be a few options, one for install all packages and one for uninstall all packages. And then I'm guessing that most of the libraries you might not have, but perhaps you have all of them, but there's quite a lot of them for the depth map. But there are steps here that show each of the Python libraries that's required to run the add-on. And then to the right, there's install buttons. But you don't have to install each one of these individually. You can just go to the install all packages button to install all of them at the same time. But you do have the option to install each one individually if you want. If you go with the install individually, make sure to go with the steps on the left in order, because there are some of them had dependencies before you can install one of the libraries. It might depend on something else. But again, you don't have to go through the individual ones if you click on the install all packages button. And then if you click on the install all packages button, it will only install packages that haven't been installed yet. If you already have the packages installed, certain ones installed on your computer or in Blender environment, it will only install the ones that haven't been installed. So I will click on the install all button once, and then it will turn blue. So it will take several minutes. It probably take 3 to 7 minutes on your machine, depending on the machine you have and the internet connection. I have a MacBook Pro M1 chip. My internet connection's decent. It's not like super fast, and then my machine is it's decent. It's not on the low end. It's kind of like middle tier. It's 16 gigs of RAM. So I'm gonna turn off the recording and come back, but it will take about 3 to 7 minutes. Is like that's what I've been saying. All right, I'm back. That took about 4 to 5 minutes on my machine. I've also tested on Linux and Windows. It definitely depends on the machine, but yeah. So you'll know it's done when the button turns gray. It will still say install all packages, but in this case, it really has been installed. The other thing is if you scroll down to each of the individual packages, you'll see that each of the buttons turn gray. They were red before, and it'll say uninstall, which means they have been installed. And hopefully, you should scroll all the way down and see that every single one of them has been installed. So yeah. And what you need to do now, ideally you want it to be, I wanted it to show up on the end bar in the side panel right away after all of them been installed. But it was a little buggy, so instead what I did was I required it. You have to close out Blender entirely, only for the first time. You close out Blender entirely once you install everything and open it back up, and that's when it will recognize that you've got all the installation, all the packages installed. So I open it back up and then go to the side panel, and you'll see depth map batch right here on the right. But you can also go back into the preferences if you want and type in depth map. And then just like before you close it out, it has all the Python library packages as gray, as well as saying uninstall. For any chance, in any circumstance where the side panel, it's not showing up, what would happen in that case, which it should be rare, but it means that for some reason one of the packages was uninstalled. Perhaps, like, let's say some other add-on was using those packages and in their add-on it uninstalled the library. But in that case, it's really simple. You can just go back and install, again. But I think in almost all, most cases, it's going to be fine. It should be fine. I've tested on Linux, Windows, and Mac. But anyway, that's how you install the add-on.